Copper Kettle oil painting demo. Hi everybody, I've been asked by a lot of people to do another oil painting of a reflective surface for those of you who are interested in painting metal objects for still life paintings. So in this video I've done a painting of a copper kettle. So I pre-mixed some colour steps to make it a little bit easier. I mixed these for the base of the kettle and the lid separately and the handle separately. And I can tweak around with these colours as I go along by using the colours straight from the tube at the top of the glass palette. And those colours are titanium white, yellow brown, Terra Rosa, Sennelier Red, transparent Oxide Red, raw Umber, transparent Oxide Yellow, Ultramarine Blue, Ivory Black. I did add a Cadmium Orange and a Cadmium Yellow Pale just to try to be a bit more efficient really and hit that orangey colour a bit easier. But I didn't really need the Cadmium Orange because I could have just mixed the Cad Yellow Pale and the Sennelier Red just to get a nice orange. The reason I'm using some transparent colours as well, like the transparent Oxide Red and the yellow, was in the shadow areas. If you use transparent paints you can create more of a richer depth to your shadows. You could paint the copper kettle with more of a limited palette if you wanted to, like a white, yellow, red, blue and brown. But I'm so used to using these colours when I paint portraits. So these are kind of the tools that I'm used to using. So basically all I've done is I've put the paint on loosely in each area and got the fan blender brush out, so giving each area a quick blend as well. And then I've just gone back across the kettle and tweaked around with things like the highlights, etc., and just seeing if anything needed to be changed or added to. If you'd like to have a go at painting this, if you go to my website paulanthonybarker.com and go to the Paint with Paul page, I've put a photo on there of the copper kettle which you can save and a list of all the art materials that I've used. The video is on my Patreon channel and it's in real time if you wanted to paint along with me, and also I'll go through the colour mixing steps from the darks to the lights for the kettle. So thanks for your support and thanks for watching this video, and I will see you on the next video. If you'd like to go on this oil painting journey with me, because I'm always learning, trying different things, you can support me on patreon.com, Paul Anthony Barker Art, and there's loads of videos on there about painting portraits and pet portraits and still lifes, etc. And at the moment that's only £5 a month, which is less than $7. So if you're interested, please check that out, and I'll put the links in the description below. And once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.